Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Nate with Third Row Off-Road, and I have just the privilege today of introducing you to my good friend Paul. Paul has been extremely influential in my off-roading journey, and certainly the reason why there are 3 LandCruisers in my front yard right now. And so Paul's been wheeling for like decades. He's built buggies. He's done solid axle swaps. Really awesome guy. So there's Paul. And this is Paul's 97?
Correct.
97, completely mint, completely stock, from California. Yeah. And we are about to do an awesome build on this thing. So let me switch the camera around real quick. All right, so here's Paul's 97. Like I was just saying, it's completely mint, completely stock, from California.
Yes, triple locked.
Triple locked. And yeah, Paul, why don't you want to do a quick walkthrough? What are you going to do to it?
So this is going to get 488 gears.
Nice.
It's going to get the transfer case re-geared as well. It's going to get a 4-inch OME lift.
Okay.
37-inch tires.
37's? Oh, man.
Yeah.
Are you going to have to cut anything for those tires, or?
The last one I did not.
Okay.
So I expect not.
Okay. Are you going to build sliders for it?
Maybe second season.
Second? Yeah, okay, gotcha.
We won't do that right away. We'll get
So,
rid
and
of
this
the running
thing,
boards.
from California, no rust. How many miles are on it?
260.
260. That's just broken in, huh?
Yeah.
And are you going to do the coastal off-road bumpers?
Coastal
You think?
off-road, yep. We do the Weldon build.
Yeah. Paul is extremely gifted with welding. So, I can't wait for you guys to meet him on a trail as he gets this thing rolling. But yeah, gets the gears on Monday in 2 days. Lift kit has been ordered.
It's in. We just haven't started that till the gears.
Yeah, right. So we'll be doing a build video on that. My son and I will come over, and you can't never lift alone, you know. You always got to lift together. But yeah, so that's it. That's the walk around of it right now, and we are going to turn this thing into a off-road monster. But this is my front yard right now. So 3 LandCruisers. If you don't own one, you should buy one. And if you have any questions on the 100 or the 80 series, definitely Paul and I could help. Stay tuned.